So I had a comment come through today. What all sound effects does this amazing mini karaoke player have? Well, let's remember, it comes with these two super cute microphones. And let me show you the sound effects it has. Here's normal. Click this button.
Sound effect 1. Sound effect 2.
Oh, then you have this one.
Sound effect 3.
Or perhaps you'd prefer some voice changing?
Sound effect 4.
Or my very personal favorite, the old man. For real though, you guys, this thing
Microphone off.
is $17.99 on a Black Friday sale. Grab it now.